Guys, now let's move to another very important metabolic pathway, the gluconeogenesis, यानी कि वो pathway जिसमें के ग्लूकोज बनती है. Until now we have been talking about those pathways which are catabolic in nature, but this pathway is anabolic, it's making something. There are certain tissues like दिमाग आपका, brain, RBCs, kidney, eye lens, cornea, testes and exercising muscles, they are all the time in the need of glucose, they need glucose. Liver, you know, store glycogen. So if you run out of a glucose, it can somehow tolerate that running or shortage of glucose for 10 to 18 hours. I mean, if you don't have carbohydrates in your body for 8 to 18 hours, 10 से 18 घंटे तक, तो जो liver है वो इसकी कमी पूरी कर सकता है 10 से 18 घंटे तक. ग्लूकोनोजेनेसिस का प्रोसेस फिर वो प्रोसेस है जो कि ज़्यादा देर तक आपको ग्लूकोज दे सकता है. हाउ? थ्रू द यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ सोर्सेज विच आर नॉन कार्बोहाइड्रेट इन नेचर, like lactate, like pyruvate, like glycerol, etc. There are many enzymes which are involved in it. So we can say, and these enzymes are not the same enzymes which will just be used for as a reversal of the glycolysis process. You will need some new enzymes also, and we will see in little more detail just very soon. Liver contribute for 90% of the glucose production through gluconeogenesis for an overnight fasting. अगर एक रात की आपने बस खाना नहीं खाया तो आप फास्टिंग पर हैं, तो चले 90% जो ग्लूकोनेोजेनेसिस है वो आपके लिवर करता है and 10% by the kidney. But if the fasting is prolonged, then kidney comes into play and it contributes for 40% of the glucose which is produced by gluconeogenesis. तो 40% फिर आपके गुर्दे करते हैं. यूजुअली आप गुर्दों का यही समझते हैं इट्स इन्वॉल्व्ड इन यूरिनेशन, इन्वॉल्व्ड इन एक्सक्रीशन प्रोसेस, बट नो, it also plays very important role in metabolism.